Good morning. I am from Lokmanya Tilak School, students of class 7th. Let's start chapter number 2 in English language. Types of sentences. Sentences can be classified into the following three types on the basis of their structure. सेंटेंस को हम लोग थ्री टाइप्स में क्लासिफाइड करते हैं, डिवीजन करते हैं बेसिक बेसिस देयर स्ट्रक्चर, उसके स्ट्रक्चर के बेसिस पे. नंबर 1 सिंपल सेंटेंस, नंबर 2 कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस, नंबर 3 कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस. Okay, these are three types of sentences: simple sentence, complex sentence, compound sentence. Simple sentences are made of one finite clause, while complex and compound sentences are made than one clause. In this chapter, we will discuss these three types डिटेल. इनकी डिटेल पढ़ेंगे किस किस की, सिंपल, कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस की. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी स्टार्ट सिंपल सेंटेंस. लुक एट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस. The man sat beside the river. In this subject, the man is a subject. Sat from sat it is predicate. और sat में भी sat is a verb. ठीक है. The next one. The man sat beside the river flowing quickly. The man, again the man is subject. Sat जो है वो verb है. Beside the river following quickly, ये सब predicate का part है. In the third subject, the man फिर subject है. Sat beside the river following quickly, completely oblivious of time. These all are predicate. In three sentences above, there is only one finite verb. इसमें खाली एक one finite verb है, set. ठीक है. Sentence made of single finite clause are called simple sentence. Simple sentence में क्या होता है? Single finite clause होता है. They have only one finite verb in them. उसमें खाली एक finite verb होता है. Next one is complex sentences. Look at the following sentences. Number 1, Kanika is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Kapoor. Karina is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Kapoor of Shivaji Enclave. Number 2, Ranbir is the eldest son of Mr. and Mrs. and Mr. Kumar married Karina. The two sentences above have only one finite verb, such as is and married. दोनों में एक ही finite verb है, is or married. So we can say that both sentences are simple sentence. तो हम लोग कह सकते हैं कि ये जो दोनों sentence हैं ये simple sentences हैं. ठीक है. These sentence can also be written as Karina is the daughter of Mrs. and Mr. Kapoor who live in Shivaji Enclave. Number 2, Ranbir, who is the oldest son of Mrs. and Mr. Kumar married Karina. List first. Let's us first identify the number of finite verb in each the following sentence above. Remember that sentence with the more than one finite verb are not simple sentence. जिसमें एक से ज़्यादा finite verb होते हैं वो simple sentence नहीं होते हैं. Both the sentences above have two finite verb. दोनों में two finite verbs होते हैं. Verb each is and live and is married. Therefore, we can say there are two clauses in each sentences. अब क्या हो गया? Two clauses हो गए हैं. कौन कौन से? फर्स्ट वाले में is और live है. नेक्स्ट वन में is और married है. Sentence 1. Karina is the daughter of Mrs. and Mr. Kapoor. This is clause 1. Clause 2. Who live in Shivaji Enclave. This is your sentence 2. Clause 2. Next sentence 2. Ranbir married to Karina. It is clause 1. Clause 2. Who is the eldest son of Mrs. and Mr. Kumar? In the both sentences, in दोनों ही sentences में क्या है? The first clause make complete sense. Stand can stand independently. दोनों में complete sense है और कैन स्टैंड अकेले इंडिपेंडेंटली आप इसको यूज कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज द मेन क्लॉज बिकॉज it is main clause. The second clause depend on the first clause to make complete sense. Second clause जो है वो depend है first clause पे. Who lives in शिवाजी एnclave? तो first clause क्या है? मिस्टर एंड मिसेस कपूर. ठीक है. सो इट इज अ डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज. तो ये क्या है? डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज है. ठीक है. A dependent clause modifies a noun of the main clause, so it is an adjective clause. इसलिए इसको adjective clause कहते हैं. A main clause and a dependent clause are combined. Main clause और dependent clause डिपेंडेंट क्लॉज कंबाइंड हैं एक दूसरे से. सच टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस आर कॉल्ड कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. इस तरीके के सेंटेंसेस को हम लोग कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस कहते हैं. A sentence is called a complex sentence when it is made up of combination of the principal and subordinate clause. कॉम्प्लेक्स कब बनता है? जब उसमें एक प्रिंसिपल और एक सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज होता है. नोट, देयर कैन बी मोर देन वन डिपेंडेंट और सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज इन अ कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. मोर देन वन डिपेंडेंट, वन से ज्यादा और भी डिपेंड हो सकते हैं. A complex sentence can have more than one main clause. Complex sentence में one main clause, simple में one main clause होता है, but कॉम्प्लेक्स में मोर देन वन होते हैं. A subordinating conjunction is used to join the main clause to the subordinate clause in the complex sentence. In a complex sentence, one main clause is conjuncted with subordinate clause. Now exercise 1. Mark the simple and complex sentence in the following passage. One has done for you. A long time ago, there lived an 7 years old boy in Holland whose name was Prince. ठीक है. ये क्या हो गया? कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. क्यों हुआ कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस? क्योंकि इसमें दो clause हैं. More than one clause is used. A long time there lived an 7 years old whose name was Prince. He was the son of Secluser. ये सिंपल सेंटेंस है क्योंकि इसमें खाली वन क्लॉज यूज हुआ है. A sluicer is a man whose job is to open and close the sluices located near the face of dam. डैम के उसमें उसको खोलना बंद करना होता है स्क्लूजेस को. ये हो गया आपका कॉम्प्लेक्स क्योंकि स्क्लूजर इज अ मैन. मैन होता है. देखिए ये प्रिंसिपल उस पे कंजेक्टेड है. ठीक है. A big part of Holland is lower than the level of the sea. This is simple sentence. इसको अभी इसका वीडियो मैं आपको सेंड करूंगी तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग आप अपनी एक्सरसाइज कर लीजिएगा. The sea water is kept from floating and flooding the land only by the means of strong dams and sluices. This is also simple sentence. The sluices which are often strained to utmost by pressure tides become very weak and breakable. This is complex sentence. Such a weak sluice can overflow the whole land in on time. This is also simple sentence. Dutch, the children who are very young also know about this complex sentence. One day, when the prince was coming back from somewhere, he saw a tiny hole in the sentence. This is also complex sentence. Okay, complex. This one is also complex. He instantly knew that the tiny hole soon became big source of their misery. Complex. ठीक है complex sentence. The whole land can be flooded any moment. This is simple sentence. He instinctively put his hand inside the hole which held his tiny hand just right. This is complex sentence. The flowing water stopped immediately. Simple sentence. Prince waited there for their entire night. Simple sentence. Now, compound sentence. Now look at the following sentences. Karina is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Kapoor and she married to Ranbir. In the above sentence, there are two finite verbs is and is married. Therefore, we can say that there are two clauses in the sentence. Clause number 1, Karina is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Kapoor. Clause number 2, she is married to Ranbir. ठीक है बोथ क्लॉज मेक कंप्लीट सेंस दोनों क्लॉज के अपने कंप्लीट सेंस हैं बाय देमसेल्व्स एंड एंजॉय सिमिलर स्टेटस इन द सेंटेंस और दोनों का अपना सिमिलर स्टेटस है सेंटेंस में देयरफॉर बोथ आर प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज दोनों ही प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज हैं डॉटर भी एंड शी इज मैरिड टू रणवीर भी द कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शन एंड कोऑर्डिनेटिंग कंजक्शन कौन सा यूज हुआ है एंड इज यूज टू जॉइन दिस टू प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज ये जॉइन हुए हैं टू प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज को जॉइन करने के लिए सच टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंसेस आर कॉल्ड कंपाउंड सेंटेंस ऐसे सेंटेंस को हम भी से कंपाउंड सेंटेंस अ सेंटेंस is called a compound sentence. Which sentences are called compound sentences when it is made up of a combination of two more independent principal जब दो more independent principal clauses जब होते हैं तब क्या हो जाता है compound sentence. The independent clause are joined by the coordinating conjunction जो independent clause था वो coordinating conjunction के थ्रू join हुआ है in a compound sentence किस sentence में compound sentence में some coordinating conjunction are and but or as well as nevertheless and so on because so this in a compound sentences क्या है in a compound sentences the subject of second independent clause का जो वो है subject है clause is often omitted subject is common both in the clause एक ही subject दोनों का हो सकता है ठीक है in the above sentence since the subject is the same person that is Karina we are omit it from the second clause in the compound sentence. So the sentence can be written as Karina is the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Kapoor and is married to रणबीर तब इसमें से she हट गया है क्योंकि दोनों एक ही की बात हो रही है clause in a compound sentences are known as coordinate clause जो compound sentence में लगता है तो उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं coordinated clause. So, the coordinating conjunction is used to ज्वाइंट टू कोऑर्डिनेटेड क्लॉज, टू कोऑर्डिनेटेड क्लॉजेस को करेंगे. Okay, children, we will continue this chapter. I think this is the last chapter, and I will send you the exercises of the chapter. Okay. अब आपको पता चल गया
Okay.
सिंपल सेंटेंस कौन से होते हैं, कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस कौन से होते हैं. इसको आपको मैं एक्सरसाइजेस अभी व्हाट्सएप कर दूंगी. ओके बेटा.